Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss again about my trade today, which is the 28th June 2022, and the result was again today was 66% guys. So I get lost one trade and two trade was profit. So what is that, and let's discuss about that. Okay, the first one. So I just forgetting to record the video or the entry number one because it's like to focus, okay, and when it's to focus it's like forget everything, okay. So because of that thing, I'm not recording the first one, but here the entry. The entry was lost, okay. that's that is the big loss because of the it's like I just entry in the 2nd of 29, okay. It's like not at the end of the closing price because I'm too much sure, okay, and that is make me lost in here because it's like impatient, okay, so not patient enough to wait, okay. But why is that happen? Because of this, okay. So this is the area when I'm entering the trade. You see, for someone maybe uh, not will not suggesting you to enter in this kind of consolidation area, okay, because all EMA is become one and the price is also become like that. Wick is too high, but for me, well, if my analysis was done, then okay, I can just trade because this is only 1 minute, so it doesn't matter, okay. But of course it's also needs some like experience, and here it's not a good example of the experience because this is loss, okay. But I'm lost because I'm not analyzing this long leg doji, because I analyzing it before the long leg doji is appears, okay. So it's like something like surprise for me because at 0.50 second 0.01 second the price from the hammer, okay, from the this is was before when the price moving in the in the tick 29, okay. It was like hammer guys, okay, it was like hammer, and I believe was the consolidation, and if here was the hammer, this is not breaking this week, this is will be bearish. So I just enter sell in here, and then suddenly at the closing price it jumped down and my entry become here, and I realized that wow, and that I was lost. Okay, but how it can be bullish, let's discuss another potential here that we can read. And here I also, it's like not recognizing the 200 EMA. I don't know why, because in my memory I think I'm not considering the 200 EMA. That is also strange, okay. So I just focus on the level and the chart and the candle probably. So what my thinking process here before I was deciding to enter a put option or the sell option, not the buy option, because of this one guys. So I just mixing, okay, I just mixing some candle like this one. I know this was some kind of ranging or some kind of consolidation from this, okay. This is like 10 candle as I remember, sorry, it's from here, as I remember it's from this way, this candlestick. So the opening, it should be opening here, so it's like from this candlestick. Yes, from this candlestick, but this is like gap, guys. So let's make like this one. It's just the not the very different, because if I take here also it's only inverted bullish hammer. Okay, so this is inverted bullish hammer, guys. Okay, in the 10 minutes, and then the next 10 was doji. I'm observing this one. Okay, so here is why this kind of inverted bullish hammer not become the bullish one. Okay, because of the consolidation in kind of 10 minutes candlestick. So this was a doji. It's like a real doji with the same upper and lower shadow. So not really good. I don't know what it's happened here, but in the most case it can go down, it can go up. It's really not predictable. Unpredictable for me. And but I know this was the resistance, here was the support, because the price is close in here. And you know, this is what happened in the resistance. They go down, okay, they retrace. What happened in the support? They jump down, okay. That is the psychology of the doji, the real doji. So suddenly the next 10 was ended, and the I believe it was like this. It was bullish, guys, but with the lower shadow also. The shadow is from the until here, or from here to up, and this was bullish. And I'm just wondering why, if this bullish, so there's a chance to be, because this was a doji, there is a chance to go up, there is a chance to go down, okay. There is a chance to break out, there is a chance for make another doji in the 20 minutes, I don't know. So I just waiting here and then see the evidence. And from here, okay, they hit the support of the 50% body, and then they going up, hit the resistance here. This is also resistance, guys, because this is the wick of the doji. Okay, this is the fake breakout happened there. So it's still there, it's still there, it's still there, and then suddenly I some kind of finding some edge, okay, because this is a little consolidation in kind of small distance of VMA. It's the situation like this will make a big movement. Okay, I some kind of feel that movement, but I don't know, still don't know where it was, it going up or down. But at this kind of candle happen, okay, I some kind expecting the downtrend, because this is not working of inverted bullish hammer. This is also not breaking the wick of the doji, so the chain will be high to go down. And I just hope here was a fake breakout or something, like after this shooting star. I just hoping or expecting here was a hammer, okay. So it was a hammer like that, but the hammer will not closing this or crossing this kind of wick, okay. For the consolidation area, this is consolidation on the 3 candlestick, and then I'm sure that is will be the fake breakout because of the consolidation. So here, and when I'm watching the price move, okay, the price move down, and okay, maybe it's breakout, but suddenly it's not, it's getting up, and suddenly in the tick of the 29 seconds before the last of the last of the second and starting the new one, I just recognizing this is the hammer, okay. This is consolidation here, okay. This is will be like shooting down hard, okay. That is my expectation, because this hammer not breaking this level also. and it's some kind of the level of here was the round number, and here was the 11.8 if I'm not wrong, Fibonacci level. So that is kind of level will not stand as a support in my opinion. And then suddenly after that I just enter here sell, okay, and that is my mistake, okay. And in the last second of the, I think it's not 1 second, it's like 0.01 second, I don't know, but it's less than 1 second, the price just getting a doji and my entry just getting here. And because of this 200 EMA, so it's not going to be down, because 200 EMA could happen or could be the support. If this was hammer, I am sure this was bearish or maybe even the breakout, but it's the mistake of the entry, and the trend was going up. So when the trend is going up, I also preparing to enter here, but it's not touching again this level, so I am not entry, I'm waiting, and then I'm waiting, and then I'm entering here in the next. Okay, that is for my number one. So the lesson here was don't enter before the candle is formed, okay. But in this kind of a situation, I don't know why I enter in this kind of even not in the closing price before I'm too much confident. Okay, that is not good also, because too much confident, it's like overwriting your analysis, your other analysis, and then you some kind of blind, and then suddenly mistake happen. Okay, that is the number one, and that is not recording, guys, I'm sorry, but that is the reality. And then we go to the number two. The number two was record, I just remember, and then the number three was record. Okay, let's see in the number two, where is my entry point. My entry point is too safe. Okay, sorry, it's very safe, because I saw, okay, let's make a story here. This was my entry, guys. Okay, I'm not hoping this was bullish. I have a like what it's calling in English, like probability. Okay, like a probability, this will be bearish, but will be the small bearish, or even will not breaking this week, okay, because I have the major like some kind of minor strong uptrend here. So that is my base why I'm entering here. I'm entering in the very below, okay, because this is the specific candle, SCA candle, and this is the support I see, and there is impossible that price will be breaking this level, okay. But there is also the probability, maybe in the worst case they will broke, I don't know, but I'm risking my trade here, and the result was doji, and then I profit in here, following the trend, and like following the minor uptrend. But this is some kind of retracement, guys. This is some kind still of the minor downtrend here. So minor uptrend, minor downtrend, and then the continuation here. And what I'm missing is here, okay, this is some kind of good one, but I don't know why my analysis not appear in this kind of level, because I find like too much doubt in here. I don't know why, because this deviation is broken, I think, and because this is of consolidation below, before it was consolidation. So I'm also considering that this will be strong uptrend, strong downtrend, I don't know, okay. And this is why I'm like have a doubt in here, but there's another story. Okay, let's discuss here why I'm doing a call option here. Okay, before I was you already know what my perspective in there, and this is the breakout, so I also have a breakout perspective in here, and well, probably the price will going up, and then I'm waiting for the retracement, because in this candle I'm just having doubt because of this upper and lower shadow. Okay, and I should enter buy here, but it's not, because I have doubt of this. And here, why I'm not enter here, I'm waiting here, and this is also upper and lower shadow. The level was the level of the, here was the like 11.8 Fibonacci level, 11.8, yes, and this is closing there, so could be bearish, I don't also not sure here. And then the bear is happening, it should happen candle buy in here, but it's not, I'm like not pay attention of this candlestick. And then here was as I remember, here I'm not mixing the candlestick. Oh, I'm mixing this one. Okay, I'm mixing this one. Okay, so this was the hammer that leading the price. Okay, this is like starting the new upcoming trend, and this was the bullish, very big and have upper and lower shadow. That means could be probability the retracement here, and then the next three was like that. Okay, so well, that is the next three, and then this is not breaking the 50%, and I believe that from this candlestick, okay, because of the formation of the EMA is starting up, I just believe that this candlestick will now consolidate. Okay, not even breaking down between the round number and the 50, like the level of, not the 50, the level of this was the 11.8, so it will be ranging in there. And I don't know this was bearish or bullish, but when I see the movement down very deep here, that is not make sense, and this is like catching the knife. Okay, that is also not so good, but I just have some kind of good opportunity that the price will not break this round number and also not break this wick. So that is why the reason I enter the call option here, because I see the specific candle that is against the minor strong uptrend. So that is the reason. Okay, let's see the recording, guys. This is the number one. Okay, sorry, the number two. Before I too much talk in here. Okay, let's see with no voice. You see, it was recording from even from this one, so I just prepare to go by, but I'm like not make any not have any good chance, because I'm also doubt with this upper and lower shadow making fake breakout here. I just have a doubt in there. I want to enter here in this line, but it doesn't happen. It's still too strong to go up, and we just moving up. Okay, and then I'm not pay attention in here, see, and then I'm just moving the Fibonacci, try to make a new. Okay, this is the, okay, my Fibonacci was set, and this was the bearish hammer. I just think this can be going down of a strong downtrend, but I'm just not so confident to go down with this bearish hammer, because this before that this kind of three candle was a doji, and this is kind of strong. Okay, so I'm just waiting there. I want to go sell, but it's, I think, I don't know, let's see what it's happening now. Okay, this is very confident, but okay, I want to go sell, but no, it's too dangerous. So I just wait for this here. You see, let's see. Price will jump here. It's making a fake movement. Okay, so I just pointing there, and this is the time still in there. Okay, now there is my entry was so nice at the very bottom of the SGI or specific candlestick, and then I just believe that this is kind of still uptrend and the price will end up in above this level, but this round number, and I just waiting, and then the price was making a doji, not even the bearish, not even the bullish, it's doji. Okay, if I sell here is also good, it doesn't matter, because now I feel that like this is a consolidation, but I like taking a rest here. Okay, take a rest in there and not doing the impulse trade like 1 2 3 like that. It's some kind I also doing that, but maybe when I'm not conscious about the trade. Okay, so now let's jump into the next tree, guys. So I enter here. Still I'm expecting the following trend here, and this is my entry point here in this bullish candle, because I see this, I just pay attention to this here, but suddenly the big movement after a lower shadow, this is weakness. The most important thing that I think was that this candle not breaking this level, the level of 11.8 Fibonacci level based on this round number. So it will be possibility of the ranging market here or the retracement. So I'm here using the retracement candle technique, and also the one deviation is touch here, so it's some kind of okay. Well, I'm just risking my trade here with a buy option, but with the good entry point. So because of the major uptrend, okay, it's like the, if you discover again the bigger trend, this is the major was ranging, guys. So this is kind of minor uptrend. Okay, minor uptrend. I see, I believe that minor uptrend can hold for 1 or 2 candle here, because this is also could be the strong one, because this is breaking the level of, if you can count, this is the like 23.6 was broken here. Okay, this one, and this is the bad thing for going bullish in the next here after this candlestick. So because of the level, okay, so the price not breaking the level, and then the minor uptrend, so I just follow the minor uptrend in the ranging market, and I just got profit in there, and that is why. And this is also the level of EMA, 50 EMA that already pointing up, so that is the reason, guys. And for I want to tell you a story here, and I'm not reading this candlestick, I'm just reading it, but I something like have a doubt, because this is still closing in some kind of level there, but this is not the 61.8. I think this was the 38.2. I think I just like this, guys. This is the different from my entry. This happening before my entry. So you have to know, guys, that this is the possibility of the weakness. Okay, as I many times told in my video, but that upper and lower shadow like this could be a strong trend, okay, could be a weak trend. We have to know why this is kind of level, kind of candle have upper and lower shadow, because it's weak in the ranging market. This is the bigger ranging, okay, even they may still have a minor trend, but this is weakness. So this is kind of candle is happening the first. If you count this 3, the next 3 was like this. Okay, this is was the like a shooting star. Okay, but again, that's mean that this is not again the strong. Okay, because when it's strong, this is hammer, you see. This is will when it's strong, it could be a retracement and make a big candle. Okay, but what happened, they make a shooting star here, 1 2 3. So then it could be down here. Okay, when the level, the middle of the body of the shooting star, it's like fake breakout here, but it's not, it's like breakout, and then it's happening bullish here. Okay, here was a bullish candle with the flat head. Okay, and not breaking this level. Okay, so this is the potential 2 of this mixing candle. So in 1 minute it's actually 6 minutes. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the sign of the ranging, guys. If you want to know when is the ranging started, the ranging started when some kind of weak candle you can find in the 2 minutes, in the 3 minutes. Okay, when some kind of weak candle is fail, it's really weak, which means not become the strong retracement, because this is the hammer. Okay, it could be strong. That is the sign in this first 3 was ranging market. Okay, because it's trapped between the level, but the price have range. Okay, that is called range in market, range. Okay, and after the bullish, I have the confidence that this will be going bearish back to the level of here, and I'm just doubt with this candle. So this is the bearish hammer. Okay, so this is the bearish hammer, the first of the next 3. The bearish hammer closing at, okay, this is some kind of level. Okay, closing at the level, and if this was ranging, it should be bearish. Okay, it should be down, but it's not. Okay, it's making us like what is this called, a spinning top. Okay, that is make me doubt, guys. That is make me doubt. I just doubt that this closing price still be above the level and the next will be bullish. That is make me doubt to going sell here, but actually you can do a sell here with this kind of uh, resistance in the middle of the week, because the previous 6 candle it's already forming the ranging. So that is the story, guys, and you know why I enter here. Okay, that is my entry. 66% winning ratio, still profit, but it's a little. Okay, but no problem, because my goal is consistent in trade consistency and the amount consistency, because that is I think the base that we have to do before we go to be a consistency profitable trader. Okay, this is the summary, guys. So the percentage was 89% at the time, and the time was in the Asia session, which is not very recommended, but I don't care. And then this is the trend, major ranging. So in the major ranging, there is the ranging with the minor up, and it's kind of starting of the trend when I'm losing the trade. Okay, the level I wrote here 11.8, 16.6, 14.6, 0. This level 0 was a round number, so not based on Fibonacci. This is based on round number. So what is the candle? Long leg doji, bearish hammer. What is the technique? Okay, so in the next section I can searching which is the continuation, which is the retracement, which is the reversal that is fail, that I can fix my failure. So this is the entry first one was bad because of the unpatient, the number second and the third was good. So this is the clue what is the most significant that affecting the profit. Okay, and this is the important, guys, the entry zone quality. The first one is a bad quality, for honestly, to be honest, and the second also in the bad quality because it's still in the consolidation, and the third is also the bad quality. Okay, so I need to learn more about this section. Okay, so this is 66% of the winning ratio, and that is become $41.12. Okay, from the 40.34 yesterday. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.